Schuh are one of the UK's largest footwear retailers with around 100 stores. The website is incredibly important to the commercial success of Schuh, and it plays an important part in our overall revenue, but it also plays an important part in the store and how our customer interacts with our stores. Responsive really represents the future of the Schuh digital experience. We have a number of different sites, but we will seek to bring that user experience close together. We've worked collaboratively with PRWD to make sure that we internally understand how to provide this website. So there's been some major upskilling, and PRWD have been instrumental in that process. Our first engagement with them was the review of our tablet site, where they did some user reviews and videoing of users. We were really impressed with the results. We showed the videos widely within the company, and everybody was blown away by the quality of the insights that we received. And really from there was no issue about persuading the company that we needed to work further with them. When we launched the tablet site, we did see a significant improvement in the conversion rate of those tablet users and a significant increase in the number of returning users to the site. So we consider it to be a great success, and has really given us a lot of inspiration for the new responsive site. Working collaboratively with PRWD means that we're gaining a lot of the insight and skills of PRWD and bringing that to the team internally. For example, they spent a day with us going through some of the refinements on our websites. They then paper prototyped in-house with us, and really our in-house team saw a design process and could really be part of that process. And it means that we're fit for purpose. We can't have PRWD in-house every day, and this really helped us understand the process in-house. One of the specifics that we have learnt from user testing is that our refinements in our website, where our product results are, is quite poor. So we have worked with PRWD to try and improve those, and the new responsive site reflects all of those learnings. Sometimes the user input can produce some really surprising results, and really we're dealing with this website day in and day out in the department, and that really does lead us to create some fairly substantial assumptions about how the users interact with the site. But really, until we have those insights in the lab, we don't really know anything. They're so easy to deal with, they're very approachable, very human, they understand users, but they have excellent data-driven methodologies. You really feel like you're in a partnership with them to really get the best out of your websites. They really care about producing the very best results that they can. We look forward to working with them further in the future, and we look forward to seeing just how good we can get our website with their help.